Thanks for staying with us. Now we're throwing Tommy straight into the deep end today as we turn the TV studio into a tattoo studio.
I don't know why I'm a bit not embarrassed. I'm nervous ahead of this, but we're delighted. We're joined by Jamie Lowe. Good morning to you, Jamie.
Good morning. How are you?
Great to have you with us. Right, so you're a tattoo artist.
Yes, I am indeed.
You can tell very good.
I won't give it away.
Listen, talk to us about tattooing. When did you get into it?
So I got into it when I was like freshly 18. Like I didn't go to school for it or anything. I did an apprenticeship. So I did that for about a year and a half, and I've been like tattooing now for like 6.5 years.
Where do you do an apprenticeship for?
Just like a tattoo studio. I did one here in Dublin, yeah.
Okay, so you just went in and said, something I really want to do.
I kind of just showed up and I was like, give it to me or I'm doing nothing else in my life. So,
well, obviously art was a big part of your life, but
Yeah.
how difficult or easy is it to put on a tattoo?
I mean, it's hard, but it's not as hard as people think. Like, it's kind of like learning to ride a bike again, you know? Once you have those stabilizers on, you take them off. It's, like, easy enough.
But the quality of your tattoos, for instance, with the shading and things like that, compared to the sort of tattoo I wanted to get when I left school, was a bit of a disaster.
Yeah, hugely different
So
now.
there's huge art to it.
Yeah, for sure. Like, I always tell people, like, you're an artist first before a tattoo artist. So if you can't draw, you just go for a different career path.
What's the most unusual place somebody's got a tattoo?
Can I be explicit on this?
Well,
Of course you can, yeah.
I mean, people get, like, their genitals done.
Yeah.
Like, I've done, like, down the butt crack before, like, spread open. Like,
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a bit scarring, but, you know, money's money.
Okay, so hold on a second.
It's a bit scarring. Oh, money's money.
I'm not allowed to do a tattoo in studio here on actual skin, and you're able to do that down someone's butt
Well,
crack.
I'm a professional, you see.
You are a
I'm
professional, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tommy's
right.
going to try one.
Yes.
Right, will you show us how it's done?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. So,
They wanted me to do 10.
10.
Of course.
10
10 siblings never going to leave me.
siblings.
Thank you. You enjoyed that too.
yeah, so basically we use the Vaseline for like lubrication, or it's just so the ink doesn't go everywhere.
Right.
Get a little bit of tissue in your hand just to blot it.
Does it hurt?
Well, I mean, it doesn't tickle. But I do right now. You can find out.
No, I don't want to tattoo.
You're grand.
But I
You
mean,
can
like,
do
do you
it
know...
without the ink.
Oh, no, well...
Oh, no, we're not allowed to.
We're not allowed to help
to.
ourselves.
But you know when people are there, they're in the chair for hours
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
it done, and they sort of it's sore then because there's
yeah.
pressure on it. Isn't
It's
it?
definitely... The skin gets very raw, like, for sure, very,
Yeah.
very raw. But, again, I'm sure you'd be able for it.
And what's
Okay.
the idea of wrapping it then in cellophane afterwards?
It's just basically to keep it covered, keep it clean. Like, you know, you wouldn't, like, leave a surgery with nothing covered. So it's kind of the same thing, because you're basically cutting the skin open, so you want to make sure it's wrapped in hygienic
So
and
that's
stuff.
like, you can see, if I look at this, it's a needle coming...
Really
like,
fast.
Really fast.
Really fast, yeah.
Okay, and that's what's piercing the skin
Yeah,
with,
that's what it
with
is.
the ink.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
kind of just like doing this really fast. So it's basically making dots in the skin. But when it's really fast, it's one continuous line. So.
Okay, go on, right. We have some shamrocks here that you're going to...
Just dip it in.
Is that the ink there?
That's the ink, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then, like I said, you want to be confident with it, and you just want to, like, you don't want to go too heavy, just so it's making that noise. And you kind of just want to follow through.
We can't really see it.
It sounds like it's like drilling it.
So yeah, confident lines is what is going to do it. Obviously, this is not my best
So this
work.
black
what you've
line,
done.
and so for instance, if somebody is coming in to get a tattoo with you, do they have you drawn it all out first of all,
Of
or
course.
do you freehand it?
Oh no, I usually have it like pre-prepared, like a stencil, and I'll just like place it on the skin. and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And has anyone come into you, like, do most people come in with the idea of what they want? So they
Yeah.
come in and go, I want this. But, like, have anyone ever come into you and said, do what you want to me?
Yeah, luckily I'm fortunate enough to have like a good client base who are kind of like trusting and like see my work, and they're just like, do whatever you want. So I've done a few times where we just kind of like drawn off the cuff and stuff.
How much do they cost?
How much money do you have?
Seriously, but no, I'm just asking how much
I
does
guess
it cost?
it depends,
But, like,
like-
say a small one, say I just wanted to go in and get a shamrock done.
I mean, it depends, like, because obviously Dublin, you know, is quite an expensive city. So some places the minimum charge can be like 80 to 100 euros
okay.
or something.
Right, come on.
yeah,
I'm going to
go
go
for it.
and
I'll turn
do
this
my
back
10,
for you.
right?
Yeah, 10.
So I put the Vaseline on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. And is there like, can I colour it in, or is it kind of...
I mean, you can, but you'll be here for a while.
Yeah,
so.
you just have to do this. Go around the 10
dunk
first.
it into the
Yeah.
ink, right? And then just...
You kind of want to hold it like you would
Nervous.
kind of like a pencil
Okay,
almost.
but
yeah.
straight down as opposed to an angle.
Whatever you're comfortable with.
Oh!
Luckily, this is not a client, because I think you would have killed him there.
Why? What am I doing wrong? Am I just
Oh,
too...
you're doing it all wrong, Tommy.
Have you seen how bad that line is? I mean, honestly, there were a few people in...
They were actually volunteering that they would get a tattoo. Luckily, I think you're putting too much ink. Is he putting too much ink?
No, he's just really, really good at this.
I just don't have a very...
No, that one seemed
That's
good.
okay.
That one seemed
Hold
good.
on, let me keep going. This is... You have to have a really steady hand. Don't you?
A little bit.
Look at the state of that.
All I'm saying is, thank God I'm not a client today.
So how long have you been doing this then?
So I've been doing this like 6.5 years now.
6.5
Yeah,
years. And so like you have regular clients who come back?
Yeah, because I do like a lot of social media as well, and I have quite a big following.
How do
and stuff
people
as well.
find you on socials?
My socials is Jammy Drawings.
Jammy?
Drawings, like a drawing, or like
Jammy,
and Jammy, like the Dodger.
Jammy
Jammy Dodger, Jammy Drawings.
And my other Instagram is Jammy Dodge, so they're both like hand in hand.
Jammy Dodge, like a Jammy Dodger.
Yeah, exactly. You know.
There you go, Tom. You're getting there now. You're not great at it now, I have to say.
Well, first beginning, with a bit of practice.
You have to keep wiping the ink away, do you?
Yeah, you can't see it if not, and
It's
you don't want to
really
not be able to see it.
hard whenever you've got your hand on the side.
What's the longest that you've spent doing a tattoo on somebody like you? Do you need to give them breaks and stuff like that?
Okay.
Yeah, I think the longest
Right.
I've done was 11 hours.
11 hours.
And I usually tell people try not to take too many breaks, because when you let the skin settle, it comes back and hurts a lot more.
But
So
then, are you just exhausted after that?
good. Of course. Yeah.
Awful. Can we zoom in and see how bad? Like, that's actually... Look how not straight those lines are.
There you go.
It's a first attempt. It's a bit of practice with you there.
Jamie Lowe, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for
having me,
coming in.
Jammy Drawings, make sure to check him out.
Yes.
You don't want to see that's a shocker.
You just really don't.
Warren, what's going up tomorrow?
I got branded, and now Jamie's going to do 10 siblings, and we're just going to do Tommy's face when he goes... We're going to get that on it as well. Remember, if you missed anything from today's show, you can catch up on Virgin Media Play. We'll be back tomorrow with John Carney, the director of Once.
Yes.
Bye. See ya.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.